Hi YouTube. Hi
Hi.
YouTube. It's me and Janelle. Just Janelle. I'm Shoshana. Just Janelle. I'm Shoshana. Okay.
I'm Janelle. That's Shoshana. I'm Janelle. That's Shoshana.
Yes. So we're gonna say our poems out loud to see what people think, I guess. Yeah, so don't judge us. And Janelle gonna read her poem first. So go, Janelle.
Alright. It's called My Story.
Trying to speak up.
Alright. It's called My Story. And this is how it goes. It goes. As I lay down to go to sleep in my bed, the unwanted thoughts of him raping me come into my head. I remember I was so scared and so cold. I felt all alone, nobody on my side, that I got on my knees and I began to cry. I was just a little girl who grew up too fast, living in a place where people call the past. My dreams and fears were a living disaster. I just wish I would have died much faster. Why did it happen to me? Why couldn't I just be free from all my prayers and wishes to die? That night I really wanted to get away from all the pain and the blame and the shame. I just wanted to be free so I can finally stop hiding and be the real me.
Mommy. So beautiful.
Thank you.
That poem is so nice.
Thank you.
Okay. So now I'm going to read my poem. And my poem is called Pain. Don't look at me, Jim. Okay. Here I go. Sometimes my heart hurts. It's like my whole world is crumbling down. No one knows the pain I feel inside because I always try and hide it. I feel as if no one is listening. They just look at me as I move my lips, probably wondering, when is she going to shut up? Who cares how she feels, how I feel? It doesn't matter. They just see a girl on the outside. Oh my god. I messed up.
So beautiful.
Jenna, why are you crying? I messed up. Maybe I know how to edit. I can fix it. Okay. I'm gonna try and learn how to edit. Okay, I'm gonna start over. Okay. My poem is called Pain. Sometimes my heart hurts. It's like my whole world is crumbling down. No one knows the pain I feel inside because I always try and hide it. I feel as if no one is listening. They just look at me as I move my lips, probably wondering, when is she going to shut up? Who cares how she feels, how I feel? It doesn't matter. They just see a girl on the outside that looks happy, but they can't see the inside of me. The pain is wearing me down. I feel like giving up sometimes. But what would giving up change? Nothing, because I would still feel the same. Okay, we're done. Bye, guys. Janelle's crying. Bye.